Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Ed JC Smith, and today's video I'm going to take you through how to start an online business that actually works, and I'll show you 5 key secrets. Okay, before we get started, all right, comment below. Let me know that you enjoyed this video, like this video, and here's what I'll do. I'll give you a very special gift. I've got an online program that teaches you how to get 100,000 followers in less than 29 days on Facebook. Here's my profile so you can check it out, okay? And so this online program teaches you the quickest way to get 100,000 followers on Facebook. And I actually came across it by chance. It was actually by mistake. And so I've been able to do it. My clients have been able to do it. And I want to give it to you for free. All you need to do is just comment below, like this video. And what I'll do is I'll select some at random, but I'll give you, that you have a high chance of winning, because I really spend a lot of time engaging with my audience, and that's super cool for your positioning, and it helps you build authority, helps you going to sell more, especially if we're building an online business. So I'm super excited to have you. Let's get down to it. Are you ready? I got my presentation here. I'll take you through these points, okay? And at the end of this, I'm also going to offer you an opportunity to come on a live web class with me so we can get to know each other personally, and so we can go into this a little bit deeper, and I can show you actual case studies of where this has actually worked. Okay, first of all, number 1, okay, the offer that you present to the market is critical to make this work. A lot of people that fail in the online space do not have the right offer for their market, their niche. All right, number 2 is they've got to have a specific niche that works. Right, I'm going to be delving in between these two specifically because they're very important. They're very, very important, right? There's a lot of BS in the market. There's a lot of things that do not work today. And never before has it been easier to actually start an online business on the side to get 5 to 10K extra income a month. You may be skeptical. I totally appreciate that. But never before has it been easier with the tools that are available. However, the problem is there's so much freaking information, you're not sure what path to follow. So I'm going to give you a structure and a path of which I've tested. And not only, forget just me, lots of my clients have used the same proven steps, okay? So first of all, I want to tell you the 3 sub niches. There's only health, wealth, and relationships. That's it. And then there are all these niches underneath. Now it's the niches is when you're going to make the cash. Let me give you some examples of some of my case studies, some of my clients. For example, right? Relationships, going down into relationships, you've obviously got family, then going down further down into that niche, you've got pregnancy. And so one of my clients, Geraldine, she created breastfeeding made easy. Now, how easy is that to understand what that program and product is about? She has a book, she has an event-based business, she also has online products, etc. And so you can check it out on Amazon. And that is, that's really clear. And so with a niche, it has to also kind of like a sub point, it has to be outcome focused for the client, okay? Breastfeeding made easy. There's no qualms what you're going there for, and it's very specific audience targeted, right? Does that make sense? Okay, there are a load of people online. When we say about a niche today, a niche is a load of people. In the past, back in the day, all right, a niche used to be just a small segment. All right, a niche today is a huge audience. Okay, I must be clear on that. Okay, I had a client, I know a good friend, he created a program called Drink Less. All right, it's in health. It's not just about generalized health. It's a specific sort of process around drinking less, not stopping drinking, but drinking less. I've got loads. It's impossible for me to show you all these. But for example, I've got a client who does Facebook marketing for Amazon products only. Okay, so he's specifically niched in Amazon products and driving traffic specifically for Amazon products. I've got a client who does flipping houses remotely. I've got a land-based business as well. And, he specifically does, how to flip a house, but not even be there, and to do it remotely. And there's a load of people that want to know exactly how to do that too. Okay, I've got a client also that does non-surgical nose adjustments. All right. Okay, so we're not talking like nose surgery. We're talking like filler specifically in the nose to reshape your nose, and it's also obviously much more cost effective than a nose job, right? So look, it doesn't matter what product or service that you provide. It's starting today to the reason why like having a niche is so important is because you're going to get a greater referral rate. You're going to get it's a much cheaper ad spend. There's a load of people that will really truly understand it, and you'll get a quicker transaction online, and people will be able to purchase it more cost effectively. All right, number 3. All right, you're still with me? All right, remember commenting below. If you comment below, I'll pick you randomly. I'll pick to select randomly. I'll make sure I do it every day. I'll check it. I'm always interactive with those that are spending time on this channel, and so you have a great opportunity to win my online program, 100,000 followers on Facebook in less than 29 days. Okay, proven step by step. As I said, one more time, here's my profile, and so I'll be giving that completely free. All you need to do is just comment, let me know, what other topics you also want to learn more about. Okay, so number 3, building case studies is very important. Actually getting results with people, especially starting out. Again, whether it's a product or a service, doesn't matter. Make sure that you're actually working with people to get results. And through this process of starting case studies and working with people that want that result, you'll refine your product, you'll refine your service, and so that it'll be the most effective in the market. It's constantly, testing it so that it works in today's market. And number 4, integrity. Okay, integrity is super powerful, right? I have a client, she started a fitness program. She was 20 stone, she lost 5 stone, so she's 15 stone. If you're from the States, it's a lot more than 200-300 pound, whatever. She's not saying she's this perfect person. You don't have to be a perfect person. No one is perfect, all right? It's expressing your vulnerability, expressing your true nature, it's expressing who you truly are, and saying, look, she's passionate about getting the result. She doesn't have this perfect result in this world of Instagram pretending everyone's freaking perfect. Come and follow me on Instagram. Come check me out at @JCSmith. But no one's perfect. It's not about living this perfect lifestyle, because it isn't there. And so it's just being authentic at whatever stage of the journey you are. And so especially if you're starting up and you're building up Facebook groups, etc., and you're saying, look, I've just started. I don't have thousands and hundreds of thousands of people, because you don't need hundreds of thousands of people. You just need to be, again, you. Practice being authentic, practice that true self, and people are gonna freaking love you, okay? So at number 5, you gotta follow a tried and tested system, a followed system. Does it make sense? Look, I've spent over £1 million on Facebook. I know a lot about Facebook ads, retargeting, how to drive a load of customers into your business, even if they don't know who you are, all right? And so therefore, if you're following my systems that I've built, that I've done all the hard work for you. All right, that's what Tony Robbins says. Find someone that's already done the result and model what works so that you can avoid what doesn't work. That's the beauty of a mentor, someone that can guide you ahead of schedule so they can shave off those time. They can shave off, those mistakes. And so here's what I want to do. I've got 3 more key secrets. I hope you enjoyed them. I've got 3 more key secrets. Here's what I want to do is just put your details in below. I want to do a live web class with you. I want to personally invite you to a live session. You and I are going to spend some time getting to know each other. The reason it'll be live is so that we can talk, chat. You can ask me any question you want. But here's what I'm going to take you through. I'm going to take you through this presentation. All right, here's what I'm going to take you through. I'm going to take you through how you don't even need a product or a service to make an online business work for you, so that you can copy my step-by-step formula to start earning 5 to 10K a month. Now, I appreciate that you're skeptical, that some people are skeptical. Hey, look, I'm from the UK. Everyone from the UK is pretty skeptical. However, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you case studies so you can replicate that formula. And as I said, it's going to be you and I live so we can get to know each other. All right, that's secret number 1, how you can start without a product or a service, and you can start replicating my tried and tested formula to earn 5 to 10K a month so you can have the freedom lifestyle that you really want. Does that sound pretty good? All right, click that link, put your details in. It's completely free of charge, no risk at all, okay? Number 2, how I built my online business to make £1 million without any prior tech experience, just with a phone sitting in my tracksuit bottoms, okay? That you don't need fancy equipment today. Never before has entry been so low. Never before has entry been so low. And so I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process. You can copy it so you can take your life to the next level, take your business to the next level. And the third secret, I'm going to teach you how I got millions of people that were surfing the net, okay, into my online business as paid clients even before they knew who I was. All right, I'm going to be sharing those 3 key secrets. It's going to be a live webinar with me. All you need to do is put your details in below. The link will be either up here or down here. You just click the link, fill out your details, completely free of charge. We get to spend some time live that you're committed, you know, so that we can book that in your calendar and go through that. One more time, number 1, how to make this work even if you don't have a product or service, and you can copy my step-by-step formula so that you can start earning 5 to 10K a month. And I appreciate if you're skeptical, I'm going to show you people that are doing it right now so that you can have that freedom lifestyle, so you can have that laptop lifestyle, do the things that you really want to do. And I'm going to also show you how I built a £1 million business online just by sitting on my phone with just a phone today. That's all you need. You don't need any other fancy stuff. Okay, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I had no tech experience required. All right, and then number 3, how I got millions of people surfing the net into my online business as paid clients even before they knew who I was. Does that sound pretty exciting? All right, thank you for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I look forward to connecting you. My name is Ed.J.C. Smith. As I said, one more time, just put your details in below and you can join a live web class and we can get to know each other a little bit deeper. Before you go, never, ever give up on your dreams. No matter what happens, never give up on your dreams. Keep taking your life to that next level, and just remember this: you are only one belief away. I'll see you soon.